Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Dakota, and before I forget, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a giveaway once I reach 1,000 subscribers, and I do have a special gift as well once I reach 500 subscribers. So definitely make sure that you are subscribed to my channel because that is a way to enter. Now today I'm coming at you with a full glam Valentine's Day look, and I am absolutely obsessed with how this look came out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then definitely just keep on watching. But let me warn you, girl, it is glam, 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 and that is what you want for Valentine's Day. I want to look snatched, and that's just how I'm feeling. So if you want to see how I got this look, then definitely just keep on watching. So starting off with the face, I'm going to start prepping my skin, and the primer I'm going to be using today is going to be from Milk Makeup, and this is like their gripping primer. So what's supposed to do is hydrate your skin along with making sure that it really grabs onto your makeup so it lasts all day, and it's good for all skin types. Now the reason why I got this primer is because I saw a lot of people raving about it, and I was like, I have to try it, and now it's becoming like my go-to primer to use because it really does make your makeup last all day. And then a foundation I'm going to be using as well is going to be the Frankie Rose Cosmetics foundation, and it is in the shade Neutral. Ooh, can we talk about this foundation coverage real quick? Like, look how flawless this application is coming along with this beauty blender. And here I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm concealing underneath my eye, down my nose, above my lip, on my forehead, and on my chin. And then of course I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. And now to set my face, I'm going to be going in with my Airspun face powder. And then I definitely put powder like around my nose because that is where I want to dry up like any of the oils that I have. For bronzer and blush, I'm going to be going in with this face palette. If you guys saw my review, you guys absolutely know that I loved every single shade of the bronzer and also the shade of the blushes in this palette. I think it is just beautiful, so why not use it again today? From this palette, I'm using the shade Twinning, and I'm going to contour my cheeks along with my forehead, and then down my nose I am using the shade Milf. But for my cheeks, I am using the baby pink shade from the palette, and it is the shade Lit. And to clean up that contour, I'm just taking that setting powder again and cleaning up underneath it with my beauty blender. And I always round at the very end when I get to my cheeks just to give it like an effect of having high cheekbones. And then we're just going to clean it up with a brush and dust it all away. Ooh, I already got one eye done and I'm already feeling poppin'. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into doing the other eye, and I did do my brows off camera. Now, the palette that I'm using today is the collab that the Murillo twins have with Beauty Creations. I did tell you guys in my review that I will be using Brianna's palette for the Valentine's Day look because all those colors are screaming Valentine's Day. So let me go ahead and get you guys zoomed into my eyes so we can get started on this Valentine's look.
First shade we're going to start off with is the shade Like What the Fuck, and we're going to be using that for our transition shade, and we're just going to blend that out with windshield wiper motions. And here I'm just adding some concealer to have a clean base before I add any glitter. And then to set that concealer, I'm going to be using the shade Double Vision. Now for these glitters, I got the best payoff by using my finger first to apply the shadow. And then I just took this brush and then I spreaded it across my lid. And this is going to be the shade It's Lit. Can we just take a moment for this pink eyeshadow? It is just so beautiful. It is the shade Da Bomb, and honestly, it fits its name perfectly. Like, look at that shimmer. For my outer corner, I'm using the shade number 25, and I'm packing that onto the outer corner and then flaring that out. And then the second shade I'm using is the shade Beige, and we're topping that over and pretty much packing that in just to make it a little bit darker, and then blending that in with the pink shade. And to make sure everything is blended, I'm just going in with a bigger fluffy brush using the shade Oh My God. For my under eye, I'm packing on the shade Beige and then taking a fluffier brush to blend out with the shade Like What the Fuck, and then taking that up to my outer corner as well. And for my eyebrow and inner highlight, I'm using the shade Opal Crush from Laura Geller.
So before we get to lips, we are going to start off with the lashes. Now, since I didn't use Brianna's lashes in my review, I'm going to use them now, and I absolutely think they are beautiful, and they're going to look perfect with this eye look. Now, I do want to let you know as well, because I've got a couple questions regarding like how I cut my lashes. When I take the lashes out of the box, I put them to my eye and then I try to see how they would look before I glue them on, and that makes me like figure out if I need to cut them or anything like that. And I usually cut from the outer corner of the lash, that way I don't mess up like how it looks like in the front. So just go based off that, plop them on, see if you like them or not. If not, then go ahead and start trimming away. So this is the finished eye makeup look that I came up with, and I absolutely love it all when it's put together, especially with the lashes, because I feel like the lashes do not take away from the eye makeup look at all. Because you know, sometimes when you add like a too dramatic lash, it takes away from like the eye makeup itself, especially when you open your eyes, and I feel like this eyelash does not do that. I think they're absolutely beautiful. So if you can get your hands on them, I will have it linked down in the description box below. Definitely snatch them up once they do become available. Now for the next step of this Valentine's Day look is the lips. Now I really wanted to go with a nude lip. I know I always go with nude, but I'm gonna switch it up on you guys, and I'm going to be using a color from Dose of Colors, and it is the liquid lipstick. Let me double check. Bury Me Too. It's such like a pretty like purple color, because I know sometimes a lot of people go with like pinks and red, so I'm like, why not switch it up? So I'm trying to do like an ombre effect on my lips, so let's just see how it comes out.
And to make my lips ombre, I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm blending that out with a brush. Now I just keep blending and blending just until I have the desired look that I want. And then for the gloss, I'm using a gloss from L.A Colors. I honestly do not have the name of this lip gloss, but it's super pretty. It has like little specks of pink glitter, so I think it just added more to this lip color.
So I think the lips came out beautiful. I'm really loving these, like the lip combo itself. Especially when I added the gloss, it has like little specks of pink glitter. Ooh, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. So let's finish off the face by adding some highlight, and then I'm going to do some setting spray. That way this look is complete. So for my highlight, I'm going to be using the Laura Geller, the little palette I got. I got this from TJ Maxx. I honestly don't remember how much it is, but I'm going to be going in with the Diamond Dust Powder. Ooh, it adds like a hint of pink. And I honestly don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it is so pretty. So what do you guys think? I absolutely love this look. I feel like it is just full glam, full Valentine's Day, and I am super obsessed with how my lips came out. It was totally out of my comfort zone, but I am here for it. It looks so good. So if you guys love this look, definitely leave some comments down below, and also give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And I'm feeling really cute. I have no plans for Valentine's Day, but girl, if you do, let me know what your plans are. Let me know if you went with this makeup look, because I would love to see some photos. And I think that's all that I have to say to you guys here today. I will see you guys in my next video, and happy Valentine's Day.